Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of our podcast. I'm so happy you're here today. In this episode, we're going to talk, learn, and enjoy our time together. So relax, get comfortable, and let's begin. My name is Lily, and I'm from England. I have got lots of pets in my house. My favorite pet is my bird. I call it Lime because it is green and yellow. I keep Lime in a cage in my bedroom. Lime is very gentle, and she likes sitting on my hand. She is about 6 years old, and she eats seeds and fresh fruit. I have also got a pet rabbit called Cuddles. She has long black ears and a black nose. Cuddles is very friendly. She lives in a little rabbit house in the garden, but I bring her inside when I watch TV in the evening. Every day, I feed her carrots and grass. My mom has a cat called Patch. Patch is playful and intelligent. I don't like Mum's cat because it wants to eat my bird. One day, I decided to teach Lime a new trick. She learned how to hop onto my shoulder when I call her name. I felt really proud because Lime is a smart bird and she learns quickly. Cuddles, my rabbit, also likes to play in the garden. She runs in circles and jumps happily around the flowers. Sometimes I build small obstacle courses for Cuddles, and she enjoys playing on them. Patch, my mum's cat, often sits on the windowsill watching everything outside. She thinks she is the queen of the house. Although Patch scares my bird, she sometimes sleeps next to me when I'm reading a book. At night, I check on all my pets to make sure they are safe and comfortable before I go to sleep. I love my pets so much, and I can't imagine my home without them.